don't have that excuse.
This is walking in. The windows, floors. This is a propane and wow, I think it's a wood insert, but it's got an electric blower. And all the TVs are gonna stay, so that TV will stay. That TV's, you can see people coming and going. And I guess this is their internet and Wi-Fi.
I can turn the lights on if you want.
No, this is, it works.
Okay. Right.
Yep.
Feel free.
Gives you a sense, oh, it's got an electric door for the dogs.
Yeah,
So
we'll
that's
have to
kind of
get
cool.
the sensors out of the.
And then this would be a dining room, I guess, if you wanted it to
If
be.
you wanted it to be, yeah.
Yeah. And then electric in there,
That's the hot water heater.
hot water.
And the pull chain right above.
I see, yep. Okay, and it's wrapped in a blanket. That's all good. And over here, a half bath, or a full bath. And this goes into the master bedroom. We'll come around the other side. And a nice stove, propane stove, nice microwave, all the cabinets. See, these have the refrigerator or a dishwasher. And I like the and then here. This is a pantry. Somewhere there's a light switch for a pantry. And this is the laundry room. Refrigerators, a couple of them. And this is the first floor bedroom, which is nice. And a bathroom, which is currently being painted. This is oops. Goes out the front door to a porch. I don't know how you get maybe we just walk in. Whoops. There is a light switch somewhere. Got it. I don't know. I like it. This comes up to a little sitting room, foyer. Some steps. Tiny little room. And then a closet. Don't know how to turn the lights on in these closets, but sure there's a Oh, there's a string here. Okay. And then you got a closet just like it there. And another closet in there. And then I guess, oh, and another toilet here. And then this big closet. And this is out the window. This is out the side.